Look at this set. Multiple switches are available for multiple drinks. Every drink is obtained by two switches, and every switch is giving two drinks. Interesting part, if two particular switch is giving a particular drink and they are open simultaneously, then that drink will not come out. So first of all, what I have, so if I make a small table like this, about table drinks and switches, 1, 2, 3, there are 5 drinks, 5, and 5 switches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 drinks. 7 Up, Mirinda, Coke, Pepsi, Limca. 1 and 3 we get 7 Up and Mirinda. And 1 and 4 we get Limca, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Mirinda. 1 and 2 we get Coke and Pepsi. So definitely 3 giving us 7 Up. 3 definitely giving us 7 Up. 7 Up and 1 and 3 gives 7 Up and Mirinda. So 1 is definitely giving Mirinda. Now 2, 4, 5 gives up 7 Up, Mirinda. 3, 4, 5 we get Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Acha, 1 is not supplying 7 Up. 2 is not supplying Limca. 3 is not supplying Coke. 4 is not supplying Mirinda. And 5 is not supplying Pepsi. So with 1 and 4 we get Limca, Coke, Mirinda, Pepsi. 1 is giving us Mirinda. 4 not giving us Mirinda, fine. Who else giving us Mirinda? 1 and 4 we get Limca, Coke, Mirinda, Pepsi. With 1 and 4 what we are not getting? 7 Up. So 4 is not giving us 7 Up. With 3, 4 and 5 we are not getting 7 Up. 3 gives us 7 Up, 4 not giving us 7 Up. That means 5 is also giving us 7 Up. So that's why when both of them are running, 7 Up is not coming out. So 2 not giving us 7 Up. We know every drink is from two taps, 2 switches. So for 7 Up, 3 we have got. With 3, 4 and 5, we are getting Coke and Pepsi. 1 out of 3 on 4 giving us Pepsi because 5 is not giving us Pepsi. So maybe 5 is giving us Coke. 2, 4, 5, 7 Up, Mirinda. 5 is giving us 7 Up. Something among 2 or 4 giving us Mirinda. 4 not giving us Mirinda, so 2 giving us Mirinda. 2 giving us Mirinda. One and 2 Coke and Pepsi. One and 4 Limca, Coke, Mirinda, Pepsi. 3, 4, 5 Coke and Pepsi. One among 1 and 2, 1 giving us Coke. Among 3, 4 and 5, 1 giving us Coke. Two, 3, 5 Limca, Coke, Mirinda, Pepsi. 2, 3, 5. 3 gives us 7 up. 5 gives us 7 up. Limca is not coming out of 2. Limca can come out of 3. Okay. Coke. One and 2 gives us Coke. 1 and 4 gives us Coke. Among these two, what is common? 3, 5. 1 and 2 gives us Coke. 1 and 4 gives us Coke. So definitely 1 gives us Coke. And 1 and 3 do not give us Coke. So that means actually 1 and 3 both gives us Coke. Or maybe, no, but 3 is not giving us Coke. So 1 is also not giving us Coke. That means 2 is definitely giving us Coke. 2 is definitely giving us Coke. So second Coke is coming from 4. Because 3, 5 not giving us Coke. Because this 2 is giving us Coke means 3 and 5 not stopping it. So another is 4. Now 5 gives us 7 up. 5 cannot give us Mirinda, Coke or Pepsi. So 5 is definitely giving us Limca. 2 giving us 7, Mirinda, Coke, 2. So not giving us Pepsi. What we're left with, Pepsi and Limca. Who is giving us Pepsi? 1 and 2 giving us Pepsi. So definitely, and 2 is not giving us Pepsi. So 1 is definitely giving us Pepsi. 1 is definitely giving us Pepsi. 3, 4, 5 giving us Pepsi. 2, 3, 5 giving us Pepsi. 5 not giving us Pepsi. So definitely 3 is giving us Pepsi. Almost done. So 4 giving us Limca. 4 needs one more drink. 3 does not take any other drink. Done. So 1 gives us Mirinda Pepsi. 2 gives us Mirinda Coke. 3 gives us 7-Up Pepsi. 4 gives us Coke Limca. 5 gives us 7-Up Limca. Questions? One of the drink which will supplied by a turning switch on. Switch on. Mirinda Pepsi. Pepsi not there in option. Mirinda is the answer. C. 7-Up is obtained from 3 or 5. 5 not there in option 3. Option C. One of the drink which supplied by turning switch to. Switch to. Mirinda Coke. Coke not there in option Mirinda. Option B. Which drinks are supplied by turning on switch 2 and 3? 2 and 3. You'll get 7-Up. You'll get Mirinda. You'll get Coke. You will get Pepsi. Option D.